When I came to St. Thomas, I couldn't have imagined myself doing anything relating to law, but I heard some friends talking about moot court, and when they were describing what it was like, I thought, I think I'd like that.
Moot court is a Supreme Court simulation where students are given a case and multiple Supreme Court cases that they're allowed to use to create legal arguments, and then they go in front of a bench of judges and they have to present these arguments, and they're interrupted by the judges, and so it really is a Supreme Court simulation.
In the real world, you wouldn't be able to have the opportunity to get a chance to see what it's like to be a lawyer without horrible consequences of failing. But at St. Thomas, you have this opportunity where everyone's there to support you, and the priority is still learning, and learning about yourself and learning about law.
It's exciting for the students because they are Canadian students who have to learn the American legal system, and then they go to the United States, compete against American schools, and win.
Doing well at a competition is like the best feeling, because you're going up against schools that have these reputations, and they're American, and we're doing American constitutional law, and you think, I'm just a Canadian. I can't compete with them, but then you do, and you win. And it just gets rid of any complexes you might have about St. Thomas being a small school or anything like that.
St. Thomas is a team that other universities don't want to compete against because they know they're going to lose. And so it's really exciting to hear other students from other universities in the United States say, oh no, we have to go against St. Thomas, knowing that it is a liberal arts college in Fredericton, New Brunswick.
The opportunity to go to the 9th Nelson Mandela World Human Rights Moot Court competition was really just something I'm never going to forget, because just to have been able to compete at the UN, let alone be part of the winning team, was really something that is just, it's something that stays with you for a long time.
It's a really great confidence builder for the students, and that's one of the things I like to see the most in terms of the personal growth that comes with moot court.
I would definitely recommend moot court to anyone who's interested in it, because, I mean, not only are you going to meet some of your best friends through university through it, but you're also just going to have an opportunity to kind of meet who you are, because it really shapes you in terms of like your discipline, your ability to study, your ability to time manage, your ability to public speak, and it really just forces you to be the best that you can be. So I think that's really just something that everyone should get the chance to do.
For students to be able to test their own education against the best schools in the world, what a tremendous way for them to experience the quality of education that they're getting here at St. Thomas.